Hello, my name is Alexander. I'm from Chisinau, Moldova, Eastern Europe. I'm 28 years old. I graduated Technical University of Moldova specialty technology in winemaking and distillation in 2011. After I got a bachelor degree, I've continued my studies at the same university and I got a master degree in 2013 specialty winemaking and viticulture management. I have experience in a local winery during the vintage. I participated at the most important procedures during the vintage at the winery, such as clarification, crushing, distemming, pressing, batonnage, délestage, and other modern procedures which are used in wine making. At the moment, I'm working for a Moldo-Italian company, which is producer and seller of enological products, equipment, and machinery. I visited a lot of wineries in Eastern Europe, which are our customers, and I participated as the consultant of using of our enological products. I spent around 1 year in USA, so I'm a fluent English speaker. I participated in an exchange cultural student program. Australia is a new challenge for me. I hope to contribute at your best wine and to see you at the beginning of vintage. Best regards and see you in Australia.